go very close to the curb, but don't hit the curb. Stop. Do you want me to tell you a bit more about the test, or you know already what's going to happen?
I think let's run through it again just to be sure.
Okay, fine. So on your real test, it's going to be around about 40 minutes for the driving, 30 to 40 minutes. Out of 40 minutes, 20 minutes will be independent driving, 20 minutes will be instructions driving. So what we'll do, I'm going to put the sat nav in a moment, or the sign, and that will be 20 minutes will be driving. Okay, another 20 minutes I will give you instructions, and we're going to ask you to do one maneuver. Just because it's the last lesson going for the test, in the maneuver section we're going to do all the maneuvers.
Yeah.
Okay, because plus we've got 2 hours lesson, isn't it? So we're going to do maximize as we can, but we're also going to keep in watching your 40 minutes or around about that sort of time. We're going to be maybe going to 10 to 15 minutes more or less, because we're going to do all the parking.
Yeah.
Okay. So before we start the test, I'm going to ask you one tell me questions, and then we're going to do one show me while you're on the drive. Okay. Good. So could you tell me how to switch your headlights from dipped to main beam, and explain to me how do you know the main beam is on?
So for dip to main beam, is it around the knob?
Okay, yeah.
So how you can tell it's main beam is the green symbol there that is straight up. When it's dipped, the lines are pointing slightly downwards.
Which light is this one?
That's main beam.
What color?
Green.
No. So pull that one and push that forward.
Blue.
That's the blue light, is a full beam.
That's it,
okay?
right. Oh, is this fog light?
That's a dipped headlight.
Dipped headlight.
Fog lights are inside one. Those are the small ones, the fog lights.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, blue push back. That's a minor.
Yeah, it's just a one minor. Okay, cool, no worries. So make any move whenever you think is safe. Okay. And we can do the parallel parking with this silver car on the left. You're done?
I think so. It's too far, isn't it?
Okay.
Too far?
No, it's okay.
It's okay?
It's okay. It's just a minor.
Okay.
Okay. Let's make it
Because
a
I have to have more than one.
Yeah. Let's make it a move on whenever you're ready. And I will let you to do a right hand side parking in a moment. So continue going. And pull up on the right hand side behind the blue car on the right, please. Go very close to the curb, but don't hit the curb. Good stuff, thank you. Now stay reverse 2 car length and keep the car reasonably close to the curb. Okay, so thank you. Now move on and join the traffic on the left whenever you're ready. In a moment, we'll do an emergency stop. Okay, so when I pull the signal up to say stop, I'll have to stop the car in full control. Okay. Stop. Stop. Okay. Move on whenever you're ready. At the end of the road, turn right, please. At the end of the road, turn right, please.
Sorry, I sent everything flying.
Just check it. At the end of the road, turn left, please. At the end, take a right. At the end, take a left. At the traffic light, turn right, please.